At this point, it is time to jump right into some frightening content. It is possible that our preferred cryptocurrency may reach $10,000 in just a few short months. However, where do these kinds of forecasts originate from initially? It is anticipated that the case that Ripple is currently facing against the Securities and Exchange Commission would be resolved this month, as stated by many experts. The reason that whales have begun purchasing a significant amount of XRP cards is because of this. Wouldn't you say that's a sign of strength? It's impossible to ignore it at all. Now, without further ado, let's get to the topic without any further bullshit. Thank you very much. Both the Securities and Exchange Commission and the well-known blockchain company that was responsible for the creation of XRP are engaged in a legal struggle. This legal dispute is causing widespread concern within the industry as a whole. Both parties are currently waiting for the court to make a decision regarding the remedies that the SEC has requested. It is possible that the ruling will have a significant influence on the future of Ripple, the future of XRP, and the regulation of digital assets in general. At the core of the issue is the claim that was made by the SEC. Ripple sales are considered to be an offering of unregistered securities. According to a claim that was made in a complaint that was submitted in December of 2020, the cryptocurrency known as XRP is considered by Ripple to be more of a utility coin than a security, which is a major disagreement with this classification. During this particular stage, the judge will make a decision regarding the punishments. The repercussions on the regulations and the money are yet unknown at this time. As demonstrated in its report on the XRP markets for the first quarter, Ripple continues to maintain a high level of optimism with the certainty that the judge will make a ruling regarding the solutions in the near future. Regarding this contentious issue, the company has high hopes that it will be resolved in a manner that is both impartial and fair. Following this, both parties will have to wait for the judge to make a decision regarding the ultimate resolutions, which is anticipated to take place within the following few months. It was said by Ripple that they continue to have faith that the court will be impartial during the remedies portion of the case. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has adopted a firm stance and is now demanding that Ripple pay significant fines that amount to approximately $2 billion. This includes the repayment of the money, the accrual of interest on the debt before to its payment, further fines, and a prohibition on the sale of XRP in the future. These allegations were refuted by Ripple in April when the company stated that disgorgement was not required because there was no evidence of harmful effects on investments. They proposed a punishment that was significantly less severe, which was in the range of $10 million. The cryptocurrency industry is on edge as the court case continues, waiting expectantly for the judge to make a ruling from the court. As a result of the lack of clarity regarding the date, people are even more excited, and everyone engaged is keeping a careful eye on what transpires. The outcome of this case may have significant implications for the manner in which digital assets are controlled in the United States. Not only Ripple and the SEC have been affected by the decision of the Supreme Court, but many other sectors as well. Depending on the result, it may either lead to guidelines that are more stringent, which would impede the expansion and development of the cryptocurrency industry, or it could make regulations more transparent and stimulate new ideas in the cryptocurrency sector. During the course of the court play, certain interesting events begin to take place. Surprisingly, Stuart Alderati stated that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) desired to establish a node on the XRP system, which may result in a modification to the way things are structured. By making findings of this nature, a narrative that was already difficult to follow is made even more difficult to comprehend. BitBoy sources are claimed to have confirmed that the SEC and Ripple have reached an agreement, which adds to the mystery and conjecture that has been going on. This is a distinct development. This could very well be the solution that everyone in the cryptocurrency community has been searching for all along. On the other hand, is this merely yet another bizarre turn in the story that keeps progressing? Only time will tell. It's crazy, isn't it? Due to the fact that billions of dollars are at stake, the legal drama has been going on for 4 years. In the realm of Bitcoin, there are two prominent figures who are now engaged in a legal dispute with one another. There is more at stake than simply monetary value. The future of digital assets is also at stake in this situation. I ask that you exercise caution, since what you are going to witness is without a doubt incredible. Because of this tragedy, the cryptocurrency world was shaken to its very foundations, attempting to motivate its most influential individuals to take action. I assure you that you won't be able to tear your gaze away from it. This case is extremely valuable and has enormous effects that will cause you to gasp for air. It is worth a lot of money. Hold on to your seatbelts, for the ride is about to get wild. When it comes to the market, the price of XRP is not just fluctuating up and down at random. The most influential participants in the cryptocurrency market, known as whales, have been responsible for a number of astute maneuvers that have contributed to this rising trend. These individuals or companies, which are sometimes referred to as whales, are those who possess significant quantities of XRP and have the ability to influence market trends through their large-scale transactions. However, why are these whales suddenly pumping XRP to all-time highs rather than the previous highs? The explanation can be found in the enormous profits that it is possible to make. There is a group of individuals known as whales that purchase a large quantity of XRP in order to push up its price and then sell it at a significant profit when the price reaches its highest point. This serves as an excellent illustration of how to deceive the market, a situation in which powerful groups manipulate the emotions of investors and the functioning of the market in order to manipulate prices in their favor. On the other hand, how exactly do these whales dominate the market? One method that is frequently utilized is known as pump and dump. Whales strategically increase the price of a cryptocurrency by placing massive buy orders, which causes other investors to rush to purchase the cryptocurrency. This technique is known as the whale plan. When the price reaches a particular level, the whales sell their shares and make a profit on the transaction, which resulted in the price falling and investors suffering significant losses despite their lack of awareness regarding the situation. However, the goal is not only to become wealthy immediately. The fact that whales who own a significant amount of XRP are able to drive the price to new highs not only demonstrates their investment theory, but also inspires other investors to have faith in their decisions. Creating the impression that there is a high demand and a favorable outlook for the market is one way that whales may attract additional buyers to the process. Prices are driven up even further as a result of this, which enables whales to make the most money possible. A growing number of individuals are getting more optimistic as a result of positive economic indicators, and they are also becoming more interested in cryptocurrencies. When it comes to pushing XRP to new heights, whales believe that now is a good moment to invest in it. The most recent decline in the consumer price index in the United States has resulted in an increase in people's confidence in the financial markets, which is beneficial for the growth of XRP. For as long as whales continue to purchase XRP and drive up prices, purchasers need to exercise caution and keep a close lookout for any potential instances of market manipulation. On the OT, her hand with regard to XRP Ripple, is this really a fantasy or a reality? From this point forward, what would happen to this unstable digital asset? What kind of impact could its demise have on the future of cryptocurrencies as we familiarize them? Please hold on to your hats, for we are about to go on an adventure that is replete with enigma, longing, and the never-ending quest for transformation. Continue reading, because the information that you are about to hear has the potential to alter all that you believed you understood about money. In a tweet, Barry C. boldly asserts that XRP has a great deal more potential than the majority of people believe is conceivable. This statement has caused the cryptocurrency world to be shocked. According to Barry C., an estimate placing the price of XRP at just $1,000 is an incredibly low estimate. People who are aware of how helpful XRP is and how far it can reach may find this to be astonishing, but it makes a great deal of sense to those who are aware of these things. There is a compelling argument in the tweet. XRP's value cannot be restricted by the typical price constraints that are in place. When it comes to the market, there is more to it than simply selling or speculating on it. It is about acknowledging the significant role that XRP plays in enabling millions of dollars to be transferred from one location to another all around the world. XRP is the backbone of a network that functions as the engine that drives transactions in every sector of the economy, ranging from billions to trillions of dollars. Because of its unparalleled efficiency, it is possible to transmit money within and across nations and currencies without encountering any difficulties. Imagine the number of transactions that XRP processes on a daily basis, millions of trades and billions of dollars passing through its network. The shipment of assets worth trillions of dollars that are transported from one region of the world to another in a secure and expedient manner. A low price does not do credit to the enormous usefulness of XRP when there is such a high demand for it and so many people using it. Why, however, is the price so exorbitantly high? However, assigning a value to something is not as easy as it sounds. Having an understanding of the broad and extensive applications of XRP is essential. XRP is a choice that can be utilized by any company, regardless of its size, provided that it processes hundreds of transactions on a daily basis. This recommendation applies to businesses of any size. In addition, because XRP is so significant to the economy of the entire world, its value must demonstrate the magnitude of the impact it has. In the future, the tweet that was sent out by